How to set network to 5G or 4G on Android. This tutorial shows you how to choose your preferred mobile network type. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Connections. From there, tap on Mobile Networks. At this point, tap on Network Mode to view available options. In the next step, you'll see different network type options listed. Following this, select 5G/4G/3G/2G Auto if you want your phone to automatically choose the best network. Once done, select 4G/3G/2G Auto if you want to use 4G as the maximum speed. From here, select 4G only if you want to force your device to use only 4G network. At this stage, if 5G is available, you can select 5G/4G/3G/2G to enable 5G connectivity. After this, your device will switch to the selected network type. Once completed, the setting is automatically saved and applied. Keep in mind that using 5G may drain your battery faster than 4G or LTE. And that's it. If this network selection guide helped you optimize your mobile connection, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.